convertible to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1970 Cadillac DeVille convertible, 472 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Original factory equipment includes power steering, power brakes, AC. Has had to repaint to white. Let's go ahead and check out this front grille. Chrome bumper, headlight surrounds. Looks like it's in pretty nice shape up front here. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that is included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, or both. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. See the underside, pictures of this vehicle with the top up, top down, engine bay, trunk. As you can see, riding on the Cadillac wheel cover, steel wheels, white wall radials. We'll take a look down the passenger side of this car. I will point out a few things as we go along here. I want to let you know about. There is some corrosion, a little bubbling here in some of the lower rockers. It does come with the rear fender skirts, but I want to mention one of the brackets for the rear is going to take a little TLC for it to hold it correctly. It'll hold on there, but it wants to hang a little bit out away from the car, so it may need a little care to make those fit properly on both sides. Actually, this side needs a little help with the bracket, and again, you can see there's a little corrosion, a little bit of bubbling on here. Just want to make you aware of that. Previous owner has had this car since 1989, has enjoyed driving it. Wanted us to announce that and reflect it in the price, so priced accordingly. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. Convertible top is power, and it works as it should. It's white vinyl. We're going to put it up here at the end of the video and let you check that out. As you can see, dark brown interior leather, and that appears to be original. Of course, the parade boot, a convertible top cover, and then your interior. Power seat works in each direction that it should. Power windows all work, and I'm going to roll those up or run them up at the same time I put the convertible top up so you can see how those fit. And we're going to get around to that driver's side and check that interior out closer too. Here is your fender skirts that are going to go along with it. You'll be able to see a picture of them in the still pictures also. Like a dust cover that was in the trunk, and then kind of just like a couple little seat cushions. I'll put those back in the trunk and send them with the car also. All right, rear bumper. Take a look at the chrome on this. And again, the still pictures you'll be able to see in the trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. So you can see all those still pictures. Do have a few filler panels back here. Appear to be in decent shape. Let you take a look at both sides there quick. And let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side. Take a look at the lower portion here. Again, you can see a little bit of erosion or bubbling. Go around the wheel wells. See that. Paint doesn't show bad. I mean, obviously you can see that there's some things that's hiding behind it a little bit. But as far as a car you want to get in and drive, have a little bit of fun with, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows, definitely presentable paint on it, let's put it that way. All right, interior does show a little bit of age too, and again, it appears to be original interior to me, so I want to let you know about that. Again, power windows have worked, had the wipers working. Blower fan worked. I did not have the radio power up or produce sound. Light comes on in the AM FM little dial, but I did not get any station or any reception out of it. So let's go ahead and fire this up here. Again, that 472 underneath the hood. Take a little closer look at the dash. See that? Probably sounds as you expect. A little bit of rumble coming out of that V8. I'm going to slip up to the hood here. Let's get this popped open. Check out the engine bay. And then we'll check out that convertible top. It'll be a quick little driving video at the end of this so you can see what it's like going down the road. We'll wrap it up. There's the underside of the hood. Looks like it has a newer aluminum radiator here. It's been replaced also. Pretty clean, tidy engine bay. Runs smooth. AC has been converted. 134A, some of that fitting there. And it appears everything is intact. Compressors, air belt still hooked up. Said may just need a little TLC, be charged. Tech did mention that it didn't get the compressor to kick on and off, just so you know. The factory equipped AC. All right, let's go ahead and get this top up. Check that out. Go from there. And here it is with the top up. So a white vinyl top. Nice tight fit above the front windshield. I do have the side glass rolled up, as you can see here also. Nice fit there. About the rear window, nice and clear. Not noticing any rips, tears, or holes. Let's keep going on the passenger side. And about the side window fitment on the passenger side, looks good. And about the windshield, all looks good. 1970 Cadillac DeVille convertible. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. You can call in 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1970 Cadillac DeVille. This is a convertible two-door car. All white on the exterior, just like Boss Hogg's car. Brown interior. Smooth running Cadillac. And a smooth ride, of course. Acceleration is good, as you would expect. Our fuel gauge is just about a quarter of the gauge. The rest of the indicators would be warning lights. Blower motor does work on this car. Our windshield wipers also functioning. A little wood grain on the doors and the dash. Very stylish for 1970. Bench seat, power, multiple position, power seat, fold down armrest. If I let go of the steering wheel on this Cadillac, she stays nice and straight in the lane. Very easy to steer, good power steering. Brakes working well. We do have the top up on the convertible today. Corners well, as a 1970 Cadillac should corner. That automatic transmission kicking down. Very nice ride. Great road tripping car, I must say. Take a look at all the pictures and read all about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.